me with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there, St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Uncle Murphy yell up the people them.
Morning, Parry. St. Mary, see again, you know. Hope wish you all the best blessings every time, you know.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
That's when it's forward.
You done Kabla? Dad saying lose your work. Tell them, you tell them out of your mouth. Tell them then you're out of your mouth. Tell them now. Camera the pan you tell them say you lose your work, you turn Kabla now. You must know why you lose painting work. Why you don't lose a painting work from me? Because I have a thing for paint. I would have more sprayed for spray. I'm put the camera for you to work with Uncle Water. You hear that? Anything will be having a paint of his spray.
I'm a little shy.
Next clip, Parry. So Parry me in here. So Dad and Uncle Murphy, we'd have some stuff in at the back of the car, so they gonna take them out. Cause a shoe stuff them and we don't see him since we come. So them I forgot and take them out now and go and search him. Cause the rain and make up its face I know. But me inside here, them gone out, go and look for sure. I guess them have an idea where he is. I'm not sure if I saw him there. I we did reach here late. We reach here really late today, but I'm inside here. And I think we don't get a pretty day. By the time we come out and say, Lord, we not get no rain today, pretty. There goes the rain start. The thunder, a thunder upon them, look over here. The rain is up here, but I don't know. I mean, like it not fall so heavy if you like the place break away and tear away. It's just like the bush them grow up and each time you weed it just. But look, on and off. So look here, we not complain too much, you know. We not complain because city town come like a living fire. So Uncle Murphy and Dad, you wanna hear them out on the outside. Them are carrying some stuff from out at the back of Uncle Murphy car to put inside. So we didn't do any big cooking because everything is all over the place because my mason man had track him foot for me. Him supposed to meet me here today. And I'm gonna see him. Me have windows, my windows them there. Over 5 months now for install. And I come say when I come with blood in my eye, I want my window then start install today. That I prime. But I know him never go him tell me. Him never know me I come, you know. So I tell you we all over the place in here so we can't cook nothing. We are here, there and everywhere. Everywhere. I put my camera everywhere so nobody don't know what is what now, everything. That's just me. Yeah. So I do my thing. But we're all over the place so we can't cook when them have something that happen and rubbing down a wall and this and that and all that they all about in a wait and up. So we have to find one look a different corner, go make like a snack and something. Right now I want to go do some sweeping up, but I look like it I go on to the car, I feel tired already. So I go wash out them face base and won't show that though because all in the bathroom them just pack up beer things with it, beer installation stuff. What we install, all of them pack up in the bathroom, them the if can't find space for work and so but basically that's what is happening now. I'm at the point where I'm supposed to be doing some stuff. And my mason man still a dragging him foot for me. But look here, I not complain, I just leave everything to God. See? So I there so sit down and go and look for show up the road. And I don't know if it's gonna come here, but it's circling all of them. So right now the breadfruit them I go home. Cause the rain fall every day and then ripe up. But I see 2 pound 3 days so I want one for me and one for Uncle Murphy. So basically that it's not a lot today. It's just to give God thanks and that I can come here again to come do some stuff that I wanted to do and to get some stuff done. You see me I say and I take it one day at a time and I deal with me I deal with so but I am man. I eat piece of cane though. Like I eat piece of cane and so I feel sleepy too. So basically that's it. We run it so Dada do Emma do or Dada do the prime now. We just a whole vibe and I go and chill out and see what we can do. But maybe if Mace man come up and point out some stuff and fall to him. I'm not seeing come. We call him and him say I got X point and then he will come up. I know at this time of the day I'm not come here again. But it is what it is and I'm going on. I've been a fighter all my life. I'm not give up. So I say. So oh yeah, so it there, you know. The electrician I wait for me right now. A matter of fact, he's waiting on these men. So me want to sit in a block up, me no find him. So next week party. Work, you know. I want for people to understand. Me say me know.
Yeah.
And people dead are foreign and bury are foreign. And them spirit come back in the house of Jamaica. King, me know that.
Yeah.
So them not ramp with spirit. Yeah, just say, I want to talk about the house of you open for spirit come in there. You lock till you're there. No, sir. Yeah, man, that's still over there. Go and see me work man here in a family where I drag my foot in me and make sure me tell them. See him come here say at to them like him a young boy. Yeah. Kid, away you got to them. Mind yourself with you say you're dressed in a tight up pants and plaid shirt for match and grey and shoes.
I saw him look over somebody.
Okay, mind yourself, you know.
No, man.
Uncle Murphy.
I don't see like Uncle Murphy.
Hey, Barry, next clip. Where say the rain bypass way? Yeah.
Even afternoon.
Everything in a one. We find shoe, we find him. Just make them know so when we come here and see you have your peeps them nowadays. So I have to come in your yard, come your peeps them yard. No, I never said that. Oh, alright.
When they watch your play, they come back and that's you.
But me never know say rain a go and rough up here. Shoes say all yesterday some rain drop here.
When we reach Lewisburg, between 1 and 2 drop in and say, now be practice. Oh yeah, yesterday. Alright, me get here. I want to come, we say, me want to reach out and we do some moves. We say they are rolling because
Pure nice background party. Pure nice. Kid, a strong body lady that Mr. Abdi. So if you look at shoe gap, me see a shoe, you know. And you know, yeah, hey, when she want to go to, she want to go to Jidali, they see what there's a party, they look funny. So when I go towards her, see me, I go like him shot. I am, wow, I show down that idea, yeah. Yeah, that little shy look there. Yeah, party, I shoot peeps, then we sit to there. Yeah, I go, hey, show. Yeah, and it take him time and go down, I saw him move. And it just take time. So Uncle Murphy, oh, you never see that move there. You see? Yeah, let me not, but look here. The first man he look on me, you know. First man he glance when I look on me, say, so me, but look in our door. You understand? You know? Yeah, no man, sure. You see if you have peeps now in that trouble, because it's when shoes. Yeah, sure.
Boy, just feel it. Yeah, the body just have a different movement, you know, something. Yeah.
Sure. Don't worry yourself. This is when everything down there. So you see if people in my big trouble in me there, you know. I say, look here, me tell you something while going up in the bush, they say, you know. Something up there, hold me in my youth. So look here.
You know what happened? The time, sometimes, uncle,
so all that get it right now, Keith. All that get it right.
No broken one, I say more broke.
Uncle Murphy, I tell you right now, Keith are real mixed up, you know.
Hey, we want to tell what that is.
What do you know?
You look, you never you will put it there. Listen, you have to make sure say, yeah, get the you have to make sure say you get the information for all the things I set all the things set up, you know. Yeah, then look here, yeah, pass here, so go down at the time and look, you see a little man there, so him single. Every day you pass him, you see, and you say the man is nice to come and I work in little man. And you know, before you know it is, and maybe she'll watch Bob on YouTube too. Imbo, you maybe never know she'll watch it on YouTube too. Yeah, so me I say, I hear me boy, I make the man first to that, you know. That me I tell you, cause they're on YouTube, don't show the word. Now make them come first, you know.
I want him,
Eh, hold on the boy.
I want you to tell one more say, me see that young man shift going at the house there, and I'm one know who have little money. When we go, me just want to say, if you don't get me, I'm going to tell you, man.
Mix up, yeah.
Come in over.
You don't like that? That's why you always lose the work, you know. Be a work, you work. That's why you always lose the work. Let's see if that passage the party. Hey, a queen, a whole heap of woman live with them man, and the man did. Oh, you know she alright with this man. She just have one. Is what me I tell you.
Yeah.
Only tell you show. As me a woman, you know. Whole heap of man live with them woman, you know. Whole heap of woman live with them man, you know. Oh, you mean then like Friday when you take time and go down, I be all stressed, I go down to you know. Me not say she, you know, a woman, that not mean say, and the party then can't comment on all the while they live with this man. All the man them too, vice versa. All night Friday yeah, you work, and you have a nice little change, and you are going, and you say to yourself, say, boy, I'm not telling line, I wish if things could have changed, I'm going to a different, you know, a different woman, a different lifestyle, somebody where you can't feel comfortable with. Yeah, but yeah.
Sometimes I go down. All of this I have here, you know.
Oh, yeah, renter coming now, you know. Renter already now, you know. Yeah, a nice six, yeah, half dozen nice planting. Yeah. And but he's not a tight man. Boy, it's not a tight man say, yo, we are walking along the road, them man, and people sell chickens. Boy, just say to my lady, sir, let her have a fowl for me, right there, sir. Yeah. Right there, sir, you know. Yeah, just let her have a fowl.
No, but I can't know, you know, say, go no have him cook down, that's how we do.
Yeah, by them time, if I would have him fowl and then sitting there, yo.
You see what you say, if you look at your and in God, in your mind, boy.
Long time. What about you over there, Safari? And this about you are the biggest general that ever make. Me say when me see him take time moving up Uncle Murphy. Me I say, yo, sure I go on like say my snake on the grass, you know. See me, the first time, you know, keen. Him just a meme glance fan first, you know. Meme glance fan, but me not make him see, you know. Because I see the from the person, go down there, so I see the person, you know. No, but look here, the person move from right there, so, and go down and bow there, so wet out them there, so them couldn't see bow. Them so I feel him feel for you, I feel that you feel for you, kid. Couldn't see bow. But don't worry yourself, pick up yourself, everything good. We know say you're a legit man, you so be a say. Pick up yourself, boy.
Hey,
yeah.
You don't know what I'm doing. And when you there, because he come to the car and can't
Uncle Murphy, Uncle Murphy, me I tell you say the cat look good, that you look good. But we say I don't turn back. We say kid, you can't go out milk come for free? For free? For free? For free?
Yes, man, come to
eh?
You're not big there. You're not big there. I know you are going everything there. That's it. I'm going to put him out to judge baby.
Where's put it? Yeah, this is real cow milk, you know. This is a solid thing that not go through nothing. Then kid, you know, promise me some my cow milk, or I know me can't get the milk.
I don't the cow, no, I just say bull. The milk the cow, man. Because one time when you have to use milk, but once I want to you have to drink the milk. Because I work hard.
Yeah. Yeah, me the cow, let me get a pint of the solid cow milk. Then I must.
What? When we went around the rope, I started to draw me.
Yeah, you're around pretty much. If you drink the milk.
Yeah.
About three.
Keen. I want one pint of milk. I want to show people in the old time, long time cow milk. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, a long time I don't drink none of them solid cow milk then.
Yeah, man.
At the train, you know, Keen.
No.
Because they back there so to the route, to where they up on the main road, where them get all of the captain special bus and all of them bus there. But we the back here, so no, we are definitely the train.
Yeah.
So we know everything about the train.
Yeah,
but Keen, you can't have train like the boy them around here. You couldn't have train like them. You never have train here? You never have train here, too?
Look at your history. When we go to school, we used to cricket challenge go at Georgia and where them boy we have go carry go at Georgia. Them boy say, come, he we have a train. Jesus, I say, but me say we are paying, and say no man come. We go jump on train.
Hop them a go up train.
So you know when me there? Me there between the coach now.
Lord God. With the coupling there. No. And that's how you feel there.
Come up on the top. Me go come up on the top, but me not tell that then. I saw me down. Me down like me there on the bed. You see what? You see me turn down. You turn and start to hear me. Jesus Christ. Look how me papa. Me parents 10 years school. And look how me there on the top. Whoa. You said the top part of the shoulder. Which one the by the castle and then come out. And the boy say, no, you shouldn't come out. So they say, policeman will hold you.
Yeah, but me tell you something. No.
Me no right now there go. Irishman, me come up and train and come up and jump up and back coach and so me they like it.
Yeah man, you know if stay in between the coach them, cause if anything and you drop, I down in the coupling you go, you're done. Hey, me that one brother there, the one day when me follow. You see what me I say show? And one man in up train, cause them me no know, you know when you have when people go, every man they up the train from Teja Alti and go Georgia and walk come number. And one man in hop the train, man, me no know one him happy. But when the train I got through 15 tunnel, it look like him never duck in time. You see what I say? And the tunnel top lick him off, him lucky and fling him over in at the table. You hear me? And you see friend? No man no miss him, nobody no ask for him. Right? And they look like they must walk, when they come down and walk through all of the tunnel them and skip out 15 tunnel and go over tunnel top when they come. And him in a 15 tunnel. I must about 15 to 20 minutes before the train come back from town in the evening when him gain back in senses and walk through the tunnel. But he never lick him up down at the far end, you know. He lick him off out at the end right out here, so.
And in the back coach.
Yeah, it don't really matter which coach you're on, he lick him off.
But no, if the front coach him that day.
No. Maybe.
Go drop sideways.
No, drop sideways, man. He lick him out. It depends on which part on the train tap in there, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Because one of them boy around here, so from Newport, man, them to come. One of them a train expert, you know. Because train was our means of transportation right here. Yeah. So the whole of them man, they from Newport, bigger. No, them a young one now, you know, kind of train there. Them man, they take train for joke.
Yeah.
Have all chairs sit down on train top and when they stand up all across the road, they so. But them stand up wide, you know. You have to understand it, you know. You have to understand it, you know.
Yeah.
Them man are one even, you know, they cut a maxi put out someone, don't someone.
I remember all the teacher what we did have done at school there with the train.
Yeah,
but him never dey on the train top. Something the man thing the him something the him in the when you like you go at the station them, it tells you, you know. It tell you, you know. Take your seat once you think come and you say, take your seat and sit down. Stop walk up and down. You are go up the train, you're up in the train at your own risk.
Yeah.
You understand? So anything happen to you, even the train line you see there, you know, you're not supposed to walk on it, you know. No. You depend it at your own risk. That's why them did have the trolley man them that are the track man them we maintain the track, you know.
Yes.
You understand? You do it at your own risk, you know, brother.
DC buzz. Run on to me daddy pan run and so. She took care of to the back. I'm smart mother. I'm running. I'm see my daddy.